Novitec Rosso Race 848. Novitec Rosso will unveil a new tuning package for the Ferrari 599 Fiorano at the Geneva Motor Show. Called Race 848, this kit will be limited to only 3 units. As its name suggests, the Race 848 is powered by a V12 twin compressor engine that delivers 848 horsepower and a peak torque of 842 Nm. The result is a sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3.4 seconds, from 0 to 124 miles per hour in 9.6 seconds, from 0 to 186 miles per hour in just 23.7 seconds, while top speed goes up to 214 miles per hour. It also gets sport suspension, a high-performance brake system and stainless steel quad sport exhaust system with a pipe diameter of 90 mm. The aerodynamic kit includes a front spoiler lip, a rear apron, a rear wing and rocker panels between front and rear wheel arches. The car is painted in matte white contrasting with gray accents such as the roof and parts of the hood. It sits on alloy wheels with 5 double spokes. Press release after the jump. Press release. Novitec Rosso Race 848. This name stands for an absolutely unique high-performance sports car. Only 3 of these automotive masterpieces will be built. The 2-seater car is based on the Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano and celebrates its world debut at the Geneva Motor Show 2010. Underneath the striking aluminum skin that sports the unusual color combination of matte white and gray beats an extremely powerful heart. The Novitec Rosso Race 848 12-cylinder twin compressor engine produces 848 horsepower, 624 kilowatts of power and has a peak torque of 842 Nm. Powered by this engine, the car sprints from rest to 100 km per hour in less than 3.4 seconds, to 300 km per hour in just 23.7 seconds, and reaches a top speed in excess of 345 km per hour. This exclusive special model also features an aerodynamic enhancement kit developed in the wind tunnel, 3-piece 21-inch wheels with matching sports suspension, a high-performance brake system and exclusive interior options. The Novitec Rosso Race 848 is powered by an evolutionary stage of the tried and proven twin compressor engine conversion for the 6-liter V12 4-valve engine of the F599. For an additional power increase of 40 horsepower, 29.4 kilowatts, both mechanical chargers were fitted with modified turbine blades. Several details of the engine peripherals were modified and the engine electronics were reprogrammed. The high-performance chargers have an electronically limited boost pressure of 0.48 bars. The chargers are driven by a cogged belt and have their own dedicated oil circuit. A large water-to-air intercooler with dedicated water circuit also contributes greatly to the optimal power yield. A custom-developed intake manifold, high-performance injectors and sport air filter round out the engine conversion. In addition, high-performance headers custom designed for the compressor engine and the Novitec Rosso stainless steel quad sport exhaust system with a pipe diameter of 90 mm are also installed. The intensity of the exhaust note can be adjusted with a little switch on the steering wheel called the Manetino. The Novitec Rosso engine management system coordinates the perfect interaction of all conversion components and ensures excellent power yield, running smoothness beyond reproach and maximum longevity. The Novitec Rosso Race 848 specification represents a power increase over the production engine of 228 horsepower, 167.8 kilowatts to 848 horsepower, 624 kilowatts at 7,900 revolutions per minute. Simultaneously, peak torque grows by 234 Nm to 842 Nm at 6,300 revolutions per minute. Longer carbon fiber Novitec Rosso shift paddles make shifts of the 6-speed F1 superfast transmission even quicker and more precise. The gearbox also plays a major part in the superior performance of the car. Acceleration from rest to 100 km per hour takes just 3.4 seconds, the sprint to 200 km per hour a mere 9.6 seconds. With a sprint time for 0 to 300 km/h of just 23.7 seconds, the Novitec Rosso Race 848 solidifies its position among the world's fastest sprinting sports cars. The car reaches a top speed of more than 345 km/h. This level of performance places highest demands on well-balanced aerodynamic properties, which receive their finishing touches in the wind tunnel. The Novitec Rosso front spoiler lip reduces lift on the front axle. The rear apron is upgraded visually and aerodynamically with a rear diffuser. The Novitec Rosso rear wing further increases downforce. The Novitec Rosso rocker panels calm the airflow between front and rear wheel arches, and their large air ducts optimize the supply of cooling air for the rear brakes. The unique paint scheme sets the Novitec Rosso Race 848 even further apart from the rest. The matte white aluminum body contrasts with gray accents such as the roof and parts of the hood to create an especially sporty appearance. Black side markers, black tail lights and third brake light as well as LED backup lights add further visual highlights. The high-performance equipment also includes 3-piece Novitec Rosso NF3 wheels shod with Pirelli P0 high-performance tires. The alloy wheels with 5 double spokes measure 1-inch diameter more than the production wheels. The front axle features size 9JX20 wheels with size 275/30 ZR20 tires. Size 12.5JX21 wheels and size 355/25 ZR21 tires on the rear axle provide excellent traction. The king-size wheels offer space for the high-performance brake system developed in cooperation with brake specialist Brembo. The system uses the largest brake components currently approved for street use. Front and rear axle feature steel discs with a diameter of 405 mm and 6-piston brake calipers. This system represents an optimal combination of braking power and endurance. The height-adjustable Novitec Rosso Sport suspension also allows the damping rates to be set to the individual preferences of the future owners of the super sports car. The suspension's lift function on the front axle can be activated with a push of a button in the cockpit. It raises the front of the vehicle by 40 mm to safely navigate such obstacles as speed bumps or parking garage ramps. Upon reaching a speed of 80 km/h, the suspension automatically reverts to its original drive position. The interior of the Novitec Rosso Race 848 offers an especially exclusive ambiance and features a limited edition plaque with the car's serial number. The interior is built to the customer's exact specifications, and the customer can choose between a highly luxurious or a Spartan racing flair. The interior appointments include aluminum pedals and footrest, as well as the Novitec Rosso leather carbon fiber sport steering wheel with flattened bottom for easier entering and exiting of the vehicle.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.